Ayurveda, established in 2015, is a company specialized in research and development, manufacturing, marketing and service of electronic cigarettes. Since its foundation, Ayurveda has always been devoted to developing various electronic cigarettes for consumers. As a company, we are committed to staying at the forefront of technological advancements in the vaping industry. Our team of researchers and developers continuously strive to improve our products, ensuring that they meet the highest standards of quality and safety. We understand the importance of staying ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving market, and we are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of electronic cigarettes. Let me introduce the AirGlow Plus, featuring a powerful 600 mAh rechargeable battery. The AirGlow Plus offers an impressive 800 puffs, ensuring long-lasting usage without the need for frequent recharging. The 17 milliliters pre-filled capacity allows for extended vaping sessions, while the 50 milligrams 5% nicotine strength provides a satisfying hit with every puff. The AirGlow Plus also boasts a convenient USB Type-C charging port, allowing for quick and efficient recharging. The draw activation operation means there are no buttons to press, making it easy and intuitive to use. Furthermore, at Ayurveda, we are committed to upholding the highest standards of integrity and ethics in all aspects of our business. We adhere to strict quality control measures throughout the manufacturing process, and we are dedicated to ensuring that our products comply with all relevant regulations and standards. In conclusion, Ayurveda is a company that is driven by a passion for innovation, a commitment to customer satisfaction, and a dedication to upholding the highest standards of quality and integrity. We are proud to be at the forefront of the electronic cigarette industry, and we look forward to continuing to serve our customers with excellence in the years to come.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.